Hello and welcome to Study to Light. This is weekly test for most important current affairs questions. This test will be relevant for almost all of the examinations including IAS prelims exam, state PCS level exam, lower PCS, SSC, CDS, UPSC EPFO, railways, SSC and many other examinations. This test will test your progress, it will test your weakness. It helps you in quick revision of all important questions of a week. It also provides you opportunity for self-improvement as it mirrors you all of your weakness and then you can work on that area to improve so that on exam day you emerge as a victor. So before we move ahead, everyone should take a pen and a page and mark your answers for each questions separately, marking as A, B or C or D, and at the end I will publish the answer key so that everyone matches the option and write their scores in the comment section. So I urge everyone to openly write their scores in the comment section. Don't hesitate, even if it is low, don't worry, it will get improved in later weeks, but you should write openly because at the end you have to compete in examinations with each other. So just write it in the comment section and be honest with yourself so that honesty will pay you, honesty will reward you at the end. It will pay you off and you will work on the areas which are weaker for you. So be honest and write whatever a score you are getting. If you are getting it higher, then write it. Yes, you are getting it higher, then write it. Be confident about it. But if you are getting it lower, then don't worry, write it that too. So let's begin. The first question, Meru Jatra festival is celebrated in. So the options are A. Karnataka, B. Bihar, C. Odisha, D. Rajasthan. So whatever the answer is, write it. Next question, the law and order of the public comes under. These are the options. Read the option carefully and then mark your answer. The law and order of the public comes under which list? Next question, Pat Chitra is famous in. Again, these are the options. Mark your answer. Next question, India Child Protection Fund is managed by. Read the option very carefully and then answer. We have discussed it. India Child Protection Fund is managed by. Now next question, according to ICMR guidelines, numbers should not exceed blank samples to avoid sample dilution in pooled testing. So again, these are the options. We have discussed what is pooled testing and ICMR suggestion about it, that how many samples should be taken at one time. Read the option carefully and then answer. Next question, match the following. These are the list of disease and these are the list which causes it. So measles caused by bacteria, is it? Tuberculosis caused by virus, is it? So which of the above statement is correctly matched? So read the options carefully and then answer. Next, India aims to eliminate TB by which year? Read the targets and then mark your answer. Next question now. Journalism Emergency Relief Fund has been launched by. These are the list of companies. Which company has launched Journalism Emergency Relief Fund? Now next question. Survey of India is headquartered at. Read the option carefully. The headquarters of Survey of India is where? Mark your answer. Next question now. Consider the following statements about currency depreciation. We have discussed currency depreciation in detail. Read the options. It is increase in the value of a currency in a floating exchange rate system. Whether it is correct or not, guess it. Next, it increases a country's export as its product and services become cheaper to buy. Read the option again. Mark your answer here. Whether either 2 is correct only or 1 is correct or both are correct or none of this statement is correct. Next question. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA 2010 is implemented by? Read the list of ministries. Here, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, or none. So which of the following is correct? Next question. RTLAMP is associated with? These are the list of 4 options. RTLAMP is associated with. Next question now. Abacus survey is conducted by? So Abacus survey is conducted by which agency? Read the options. Next question. Where is the headquarters of AIIB? These are the options. AIIB, that is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, where it is headquartered. Next question now. SS Corona application has been launched by? These are the list of states. Which state has launched SS Corona app? Next question now. Polavaram project is located on which river? These are the list of rivers. You have to mark which river, on which river Polavaram project is going to build. Next, who was the first individual to see the human coronavirus? These are the list of virologists. Who among them were the first to see human coronavirus? Next question. Which space agency is not part of International Space Station? That is ISS in short. This question is very important again. Be focused that which agency is not part of ISS. Next question. World Heritage Day is celebrated on? So World Heritage Day is celebrated on which day of April? Read the option carefully. Mark your answer. Next question now. Water is listed in which list of the Constitution? These are the 4 lists or 4 options. Read the option. Mark your answer as A, B, C or D, whichever you think is correct. Next question. The IMF is headquartered in? These are the list of cities. Which one of this is headquarters of IMF? Next question. Who is the chief economist of IMF? These are the 4 persons. Who among them is the chief economist of IMF? Next question. Which Asian Youth Games is to be held in China in November 2021? These are the list. Read the list and then mark your answer. Next question. Trimerusurus salazar, which is a new species of green pit viper, has been found in? These are the list. Read the list and mark your answer that where this green pit viper Trimerusurus salazar has been found. Next question now. World Hemophilia Day is celebrated on? These are the days of April month. You have to mark on which day this Hemophilia Day has been celebrated. Next question. Who has been appointed as the ambassador of WWF India? These are the list. Look at the list carefully and then mark. Next question. National Human Rights Commission, in short NHRC, is either a constitutional body, a statutory body, non-statutory body, or none of the above. Which of the option is correct? Next question. Which or who is the chairman of NHRC? These are the list. Either Justice Lokur, Justice H.L. Dattu, Justice Gogoi, or Justice Pinaki Ghosh. Which one is the right option? Mark your answer. Next question. Who is WHO's second biggest contributor? Read the option carefully. Here A is USA, B Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, C Gavi Vaccine Alliance, or D China. Mark your answer again. And next question, the last question. Harpoon missile system has been originated in? Either it has originated in USA, France, or C India, or D Russia. Mark your answer. Now I am going to lists the answers. So let's match the answer. Meru Jatra festival is celebrated in Odisha. So C is the right answer for first question. The law and order of the public comes under state list. So here A is the right answer for second question. Pattachitra is famous in both Odisha and Bengal. So D will be the right option for third question. Next, India Child Protection Fund is managed by, we have seen that Bhuvan Ribhu, who is son of Kailash Satyarthi, manages it. So here B will be the right option for fourth question. Next, according to ICMR guidelines, numbers should not exceed 5 samples to avoid sample dilution in pooled testing. We have seen pooled testing that samples of different individuals are taken together and they are tested at once. If the test is positive, then only individuals are tested separately. Otherwise, if the test is negative, there is no need to test individuals separately. So here A will be the right option for fifth question. Next, does measles caused by bacteria? No. Measles is caused by virus and tuberculosis is caused by bacteria, that is Mycobacterium bacteria. So here both are incorrectly matched. So here D will be the right option for sixth question. Next, India aims to eliminate TB by, so it is 2025. So here C is the right answer for seventh question. Next, Journalism Emergency Relief Fund has been launched by Google. So here C is the right answer for question number 8. Survey of India is headquartered at, it is headquartered at Dehradun. So here again C is the right answer for question number 9. And then 10th question was very tricky. Currency depreciation. See, it is increase in the value of currency in a floating exchange rate system? No, it is not increase, rather it is fall in the value of currency. So everyone who has confused here, be honest, and if you have by mistake marked it incorrectly, then please don't count it as correct, mark it as incorrect, because in examination it happens. You have to be attentive on each word of the question. So here only second is correct, so A will be the right option. Next question, 11th, FCRA 2010 is implemented by, so FCRA is implemented by Ministry of Home Affairs. So here A is the right option for 11th. Next question, 12th, RT-LAMP is associated with diagnosis of COVID-19. So here for 12th number question, C is the right answer, and RT-LAMP is better than RT-PCR test. So this will help to diagnose COVID-19. 13th, Abacus survey is conducted by RBI. So here for 13th question, C is the right answer. Next, where is the headquarters of AIIB? So AIIB is headquartered in Beijing. So here A is the right answer again. Next, SS Corona application has been launched by Delhi. So B will be the right option for question number 15th. 16th, Polavaram project is located on Godavari river. So D for question number 16th. Next question, who was the first individual to see human coronavirus? So it is June Almeida. So question number 17, A is the right answer, June Almeida. Next question, which space agency is not part of ISS or International Space Station? So ISRO, that is the Space Agency of India, is not part of ISS. 5 space agencies are part of this ISS, which are NASA, JAXA, ESA, Roscosmos, and then Canadian Space Agency. So here for question number 18th, C is the right answer. For question number 19, World Heritage Day is celebrated on April 18th. So A is the right answer. 20th, water is listed in state list. So here again A is the right answer for 20th. 21st, IMF is headquartered in Washington DC. So C is the right answer for 21st. 22nd, who is the chief economist of IMF? So Geeta Gopinath is the chief economist of IMF. So here B is the right answer. 23rd, which Asian Games or Youth Games is to be held in China in November 2021? So it will be the third Asian Youth Games to be held in China in November 2021. So mark here third, C is the right answer for 23rd. 24th, Trimeria Surus Salazar, which is a green pit viper, has been found in Pakke Tiger Reserve, which is in Arunachal Pradesh. So here B is the right answer for 24th. 25th, World Hemophilia Day is celebrated on. So World Hemophilia Day is celebrated on April 17th. So mark B is the right answer for 25th. 26th, who has been appointed as Ambassador of WWF India? So it is Vishwanathan Anand. So here C is the right answer for 26th. So 27th, NHRC is so we have discussed that NHRC is a statutory body, not a constitutional body. So here B will be the right option for 27th. 28th, who is the chairman of NHRC? So it is Justice H.L. Dattu. So here B will be the right option for 28th. So match every answers and then mark your answer in your comment section that how many score you are getting out of 30. If you are getting 20, then it is okay. If you are getting 24, then it is quite good. Even if you are getting 15, or let's say between 15 or 20, then also you need to write it, and in the next test you need to improve it. Now let's see who is the WHO's second biggest contributor. So it is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So B is the right option for 29th. Next, Harpoon missile system has been originated in. So it has originated in USA. So here A is the right answer for. So check your every answers and don't forget to write your score in the comment section. Don't hesitate and don't sigh. Write it, and in the next week again on Monday we will see the next test. Till then, stay safe, stay at your home, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel.